In this video, we are going to talk about PWA, that is Progressive Web App. So what exactly this PWA is and how it works and how you can get one for your WordPress website. We will all find that in this video. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So when we talk about apps, we know that for Android device, we go to Play Store, get the apps that we want. And same goes for the iPhone users. In order to download any app, they visit Apple Store and then they get any desired app downloaded on their phone. And these kind of apps are known as native apps because they are separately made for specific platform. Now, on the other hand, PWA or Progressive Web App is a form of an application which is built using native website technologies like HTML, CSS, PHP or JavaScript. And when we talk about from the perspective of a WordPress website owner, now thanks to some advanced plugins by which you can easily convert any WordPress website to Progressive Web App with just a click of few buttons. So this means that you don't have to hire a native Android developer or an iPhone developer to create any native app for your website. You can easily convert your WordPress website to a Progressive Web App and give an app-like experience to your mobile viewers. And how this PWA looks and how it works, then you must have seen that on various websites you get notification to add a shortcut on the main screen or maybe on the desktop. You also get this type of icon just along the side of the address bar of your browser. So this allows you to add or install PWA on your mobile as well as on your desktop. And with that, you can easily give your mobile visitors a complete native app experience. And how you do that for your WordPress website, we are going to find that in the future video in this series. So stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And the biggest advantage of creating this PWA for your WordPress website, you will get almost all the features that you wish to have on any native app, such as push notification, offline support, and many other advanced features that you will always wish to have in your native app. And all that can be done for your WordPress website when you convert that to a Progressive Web App. And along with that, there will be only one single database or the main backend which you need to manage, and everything will be reflecting on your website as well as on your PWA. So some of the advantages of converting your WordPress website into a PWA is number one, you don't have to create and manage native apps for both Android and iPhone. So you don't have to pay anything to any mobile developer or even Google or Apple Store. And this brings us to the point number 2, which is you can easily build a PWA for your WordPress website by just using a simple plugin, because there are various plugins that are freely available, and with that you can easily convert your website into any PWA. And these PWAs are also responsive and can work on any mobile device. And unlike your normal website, if the internet connection of your visitor is not working, your website will never be visible to them. But your PWA can even work offline. Your visitors can easily use your PWA even without an internet connection. And if you use some advanced premium plugins, then you can even get more features in your PWA that you expect from any native app. And once again, we are going to cover that in a separate video. So if you are a small business owner or maybe a blogger and you want to get a quick solution so that you can provide a mobile app experience to your visitors, then you can easily go ahead and build a PWA for your WordPress website in no cost and time. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.